there is a powerful technique known as the inner talking technique, inspired by the teachings of the renowned spiritual teacher Neville Goddard. In this journey of self-discovery, we will delve into the art of manifestation through inner dialogue. Instead of simply thinking at the end, this method engages the profound idea of thinking from the end. Thinking from the end, as Neville Goddard advises, is a practice deeply rooted in the art of manifestation. It involves embracing your desired outcome as a present reality, bypassing the traditional notion of waiting for circumstances to align. To truly understand this concept, it's essential to recognize that the universe responds to your beliefs and inner convictions. In the words of Neville Goddard himself, your assumption, if persistent, hardens into fact. This profound insight underscores the significance of thinking from the end. By visualizing and accepting your goals as accomplished, you send a powerful message to your subconscious mind, which in turn aligns your thoughts, actions, and circumstances with that desired reality. Consider this perspective. If your ultimate goal is financial abundance, immerse yourself in the sensation of already having achieved it. Envision yourself handling your finances with ease, enjoying the lifestyle you desire. Say to yourself, "How fortunate am I to have the wealth I've longed for?" Your mental shift is more than wishful thinking. It's a deliberate act of shaping your reality. Thinking from the end sets the stage for a profound transformation in your life. Being an active creator of your destiny involves shifting from being a passive observer of your circumstances. As you absorb this wisdom and integrate it into your daily thoughts, your inner dialogue becomes a powerful tool for manifestation, shaping the world around you based on your newfound beliefs and convictions. Your inner dialogue, often overlooked in its significance, serves as a profound guide on your journey towards manifestation. Neville Goddard's teachings emphasize the importance of these conversations with yourself as a means to gain a deeper understanding of your life's unfolding narrative. Through these inner dialogues, you embark on a path of self-discovery and self-realization. One of the fundamental principles of this technique is to maintain an unwavering focus on thinking from the end. As you engage in these inner conversations, envision the fulfillment of your desires. Imagine yourself already in possession of what you yearn for and speak to yourself as if this reality has already come to pass. This practice aligns your subconscious with your ambitions, gradually turning your thoughts into tangible results. In the words of American author Napoleon Hill, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." This quote underscores the power of your inner dialogue in shaping your beliefs and consequently your actions. When you engage in conversations with yourself about your goals, your mind registers them as possibilities, making it more likely for you to take the necessary steps to achieve them. These inner speeches become the architects of your reality. Your thoughts and words lay the foundation for the life you desire to build. Neville Goddard's wisdom encourages you to ask empowering questions during these dialogues. By asking, "If I were already the person I aspire to be, what would my inner conversation sound like?" You begin to shift your focus from doubt and uncertainty to self-assuredness and conviction. Your inner speech is a potent force that shapes your reality in ways you might not fully appreciate. It serves as the bedrock upon which your beliefs, actions, and experiences are constructed. When you repeatedly tell yourself that you are unworthy, incapable, or undeserving, you reinforce these negative beliefs and they manifest in your life. Conversely, when you engage in a positive inner dialogue, you set in motion a transformative process. Reaffirming your worthiness and achieving your desires repeatedly reshapes your subconscious. This shift in your inner speech can lead to increased confidence, self-belief, and a heightened ability to take the necessary steps toward achieving your goals. Remember that words have the power to create reality, and your inner speech is the catalyst for this transformation. Neville Goddard's teachings invite us to embark on a profound journey of self-transformation by shifting our inner dialogue from what he aptly named the old man to the new man. The old man represents outdated and limiting beliefs that hinder personal growth. In contrast, the new man embodies the essence of your evolving self, filled with aspirations and potential. One of the central principles of this transformation process is redirecting your focus from external comparisons and distractions to a dedicated focus on self-improvement. As the great philosopher Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us." This quote underscores the essence of Neville Goddard's teachings, emphasizing that your inner world is the catalyst for change. Incorporate the idea of crafting new self-talk into your daily life. Engage in conversations with yourself that revolve around your goals and desires. Shift your attention away from the actions of others and instead concentrate on the path you wish to forge. By taking charge of your inner dialogue and steering it toward constructive and forward-thinking conversations, you nurture a fertile ground for personal growth and manifestation. In the journey of self-mastery and manifestation, one of the pivotal challenges is conquering negative self-talk. As Neville Goddard aptly puts it, these negative conversations are akin to stubborn weeds that can stifle your personal growth and hinder your progress towards your goals. When negative self-talk creeps into your inner dialogue, it can erode your self-esteem, limit your potential, and disrupt your alignment with your desired reality. It's essential to recognize when these negative dialogues surface and take immediate action to shift your focus towards positivity. Much like Neville's old man versus new man concept, consider negative self-talk as the voice of the past, a remnant of old beliefs and limitations that no longer serve your journey of growth and manifestation. On the other hand, positive conversations represent the dawn of a new era, where you are in control of your narrative. Your imagination plays a vital role in this process. It's intricately linked to your inner speech, and by reinforcing positive affirmations and beliefs during your inner conversations, you cultivate an environment conducive to success. Remember, your words hold the power to shape your reality. Hence, when negativity persists, replace it with positivity and remind yourself that those negative words are consigned to the past, never to return. Every moment of negativity becomes an opportunity for growth, a chance to redirect your thoughts towards your desired reality. Adopting a worldview steeped in the essence of success is a fundamental concept in the art of manifestation, echoing the teachings of Neville Goddard. When you perceive the world through the lens of success, you invite success to be your constant companion. In this transformation in perspective, we are reminded that our beliefs and underlying convictions shape the external reality we experience. In the words of the acclaimed motivational speaker Earl Nightingale, success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. This definition captures the essence of Neville Goddard's teachings. Success isn't merely an end destination, but a continuous journey of moving closer to your desired goals. When you view life through this prism, every step you take becomes a step toward your own version of success. Moreover, it's crucial to acknowledge that your mindset plays a pivotal role in this process. Just as Neville's teachings guide you to focus on thinking from the end, a successful worldview encourages you to envision yourself already embodying the success you seek. By cultivating a steadfast belief in your capabilities and your ability to manifest your desires, you set in motion a series of events and decisions that bring your aspirations to fruition. This transformation in your worldview empowers you to surmount obstacles and navigate challenges with unwavering determination, as you believe that success is not a distant dream, but an attainable reality.